Hey, what's up, y'all? Gonna show you a fun little tutorial today on how to use Envelope Distort in Illustrator to create type into different shapes. In this example, I'll be trying to create like a retro style sports flag for our logo. So basically, I've got the text here. It's not expanded. It's straight up editable still as type. And I got the shapes that I want to use for my flag. So I created this shape and laid them over each other as you can see here. And really, the first step that I took was to create outlines of it. So basically, I flip-flopped this to create stroke, and you have a stroke version here. And then I just thickened the stroke like this. So I selected it. I made sure that the stroke line was in the center, and then I just increased the thickness until it was to my liking. So from there, what I do is, I want to get rid of this inside line so it looks like this piece of the flag's overlaying this piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go select both objects and I'm going to go over here and use the shape builder tool. So hit here, and then using this tool, you can basically just swipe on these lines and it'll remove it and look really nice and clean, super easy to do. But then to add the fold of the flag, I will take the pen tool and I'll just hit a little fold like that. Oops. I'll make a little fold like that, click out of it, and now we got a nice little line for the flag. So I'll make a simple flagpole for this. Just want it to look like a retro style, like sports flag. And you can add as much detail as you want, or even you can use different shapes. You can make it a curved flag, and the type will still adjust with it. So now that we have our overall flag mock-up, I'm going to move that piece over here. I'm going to take the type and use the first shape. And so what I want to do is have the first part of the flag say POR and the second folded part say TRE. So the way to do this is pretty simple. You grab this, you need to make sure that it's on top of the text to use the envelope distort. So the way to do that without short keys is just go to arrange, bring to front, pretty simple. And then what I'll do is I'll select both of these and go over here to object, envelope distort, and use make with top object. Boom. So super simple, really easy to do. What I'll do from here is I'll move this over. I will adjust it to the right size. I want it to show up on my flag like that. And then we'll get to doing the second part. So I'll take this triangle, which is the same as this one, move it over here, make sure it's on top. Boom, select both items, and then hit envelope distort, make with top objects. Ooh, that does not look good. So basically, as you can see here, this one has a flat edge. This one came to a point and it made the text look not very good. So the way that I'll fix that is go back. This is the way I do it. I'll just create another shape inside of the box or inside of the triangle, and then I will make it have a flat side instead of a point. Boom. Now we've got our new shape. Make sure that it's on top. Select both items, object, envelope distort, make with top object. Boom. So now we've got the correct, style that we want to make it look like the previous flag fold. And then I just place it there and resize it to however I want. Now the cool part is you could still select this text. You could change the font. Um, it's still editable even in its shape form. So that's really cool. And you can do that for either or. You can get really detailed with the design as well. But this is just a quick little sports flag design. And then what I'll do from here is I'll export it as a PNG and I'll put it on our website. Yeah, so now I went over to our website and scrolled down, show you where I added it. And then right there, fun little flag icon. So that's pretty cool. It just adds a little bit of flair using different icons on the site instead of just the main logo. And then I also went down and I added it here in the footer. So yeah, pretty fun, pretty easy to do. I hope you enjoyed it and this is helpful for someone. All right, guys, thank you.